Hi, I'm Pedro Plasencia with Country Real Estate in California's beautiful Central Coast. Today we're in South Monterey County, where we're going to take a boots on the ground tour of this 49-acre ranch. Let's go take a look. The ranch is on Jolon Road, 5 minutes west of Highway 101, and the closest towns are going to be Paso Robles to the south, it's about 25 minutes, and King City is about 30 minutes to the north. The parcel itself has a triangle shape. There's about half a mile of Jolon Road frontage, gated entry, paved driveway. There's PG&E power with a meter, and the property has its own private well. The property is mostly sloped, but along Jolon Road near the gate, there's about 2 to 2.5 acres of flat usable land, and this is where the horse corral is located. Here we have the corral. There's a tackle shed, storage. On this side we have a 2-stall barn. A really cool spot to hang out under the oak tree on the swing. One of the nice features of this property is that the slopes are heavily wooded with oak trees, so it makes a really nice environment for hikes, for riding, great habitat for wildlife. There's a couple additional structures on the property for storage. And another small 2-stall barn with a fenced corral. A unique feature to this property, there's a main canyon running through, about right through the middle of it, with a road there. And then there's several offshoots of quad trails or hiking trails. If you're into hunting or just enjoying wildlife, there's lots of it here. You can see some of the tracks. You can see some deer tracks and wild pig tracks. There's pig rooting. There's lots of fun exploring to be had on this property. There's some cool rock formations. And trails all over. We're coming up to the back corner of the property, which is deep in the canyon. There's a seasonal spring, which is not flowing right now. We haven't had much rain this winter. This is where the general area where the spring comes up. And then we have more really cool rock formations. There's even a little cave back in there. Let's head over to the house. The driveway meanders on up about halfway up the property. And this is where we'll find the home. It was built in an ideal spot on the property. Situated here gives it the advantage of having privacy while still enjoying pretty amazing views. This is a newer manufactured home on a permanent foundation. It's just under 1,500 square feet, 3 bedrooms and 2 baths. Spacious open floor plan. Kitchen has a large island, granite countertops. Beautiful cabinets with the upper cabinets with glass. Walk-in pantry. vineyard views out the window. In addition to the living room, we also have this bright sitting area. It's a family room. You can enjoy reading or just lounging. Let's go check out this back deck from the dining room. You can step right on out. It's like a nice little oasis. Perfect for morning coffee or tea. You get up early enough, you can enjoy the sunrise. And on the warm summer evenings, you can enjoy the nice cool breeze here. We can't wrap up our tour without coming to the top of the property. You got to see these incredible 360-degree views here of the Hames Valley to the east, vineyards, and the hills there. So if this property is something you're interested in, have more questions about, or any similar properties in the Central Coast, San Luis Obispo County and South Monterey County, be sure to reach out to me and give me a call.